So next command in sheet metal is Lofted Bend Command. To use this command we need to have two sketches. First sketch on front plane. Let's draw a center point rectangle. Now define it 200 millimeters by 180 millimeters. Now draw another center point rectangle. Define it 2 millimeters. Use trim entities. Trim these extra lines. Press OK button and again save and exit from sketch. Now in the features tab, drop down this reference geometry arrow and then select plane. Drop down this menu and select front plane as first reference. Make some distance and press OK button. Now sketch on this new plane. Make normal to and draw center point arc. Make both of these points coincident and save and exit from sketch. Now hide this plane. Go to sheet metal tab and select Lofted Bend Command. Select this rectangle as first profile and then this arc as second profile. So scroll down. Here are the options. You can review these options by yourself. Reference endpoint, use gauge table, or here is the thickness for sheet. Here is the bend radius and bend allowance and rest of the things. So press OK button and this command will be applied.